there's a, it's the same thing with Star Trek. I mean, Star Trek was really interesting. I mean, it's super interesting because, they have this thing called the warp drive, right?
Mm.
So it turns out that there's this a physicist in South America, Miguel Alcubierre, who basically is a big Star Trek fan. And there are a lot of people who, the person who discovered CRISPR at Berkeley, the woman who discovered CRISPR at Berkeley, was a big Star Trek fan. So Star Trek actually inspired a lot of people. So this whole warp drive thing, Miguel Alcubierre, actually, he was an expert in general relativity. He comes up with a metric, this thing called a metric in general relativity, that would enable you to do a warp, like a warp bubble. So this is a big topic of research today. Is like warp bubbles.
Wow.
So there's a lot of like cross pollination between reality and fiction, and specifically science fiction.